Hello, welcome back to another video, guys. In this video I'm going to go through this P0135 proper rich sensor heat. If you're getting this fault code there on the screen and you're getting the engine management light, if you're losing power or whatnot, it'll be to do with this sensor here. This is the Renault engine, by the way. Okay, it's this sensor here that kind of leads all the way in there. Now you can, I would do this myself. The socket you can buy on Amazon for about 12-13 quid. Pop it on, unturn it obviously the right way, take it out, put the new one in, but make sure you get OEM and not aftermarket, because if you do get aftermarket they will still ping up. Once you do, reality is with any DPF sensor, the engine management light will not turn off, very unlikely, so it's best to use a diagnostic machine and reset it. Once you've reset it, it's good to go. But obviously make sure the engine's not running when you change it. It's pretty sensitive, but that code is that sensor there, like we said, the blue wiring that goes to the exhaust system.